Good morning, first graders. Happy Tuesday. We're going to be working on our math today, page 299. We're going to start here on number 1. Mark the dot of the clock that shows 1/2 hour later. So if we start with this clock here, and I have my example here, I know that this is, the hour hand here is at the 3, and my minute hand is right up top, so I know that this says 3 o'clock. And I want to know, what is 1/2 hour later? So if we know that 1 hour is 60 minutes, we know that half of the 60 is going to be 30 minutes. So we want to know, what is 1/2 hour after 3 o'clock? So 1/2 hour after 3, let's count to 30 minutes. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So this is 1/2 hour after 3 o'clock, which the hour hand is between the 3 and the 4, and we know that it falls back to the 3. And our minute hand is on the 6 for 30 minutes, so we know that it is 3:30. So here, you don't have to write it anywhere on your paper, but 1/2 hour after 3 is 3:30. So what you're going to do on your paper is you're going to mark the dot next under the clock that looks like this for 3:30. All right, and if we move to the next clock there, we can see that the hour hand is between the 9 and the 10, and we know that means it's still 9 o'clock because it hasn't quite reached the 10. And we can see that our minute hand down here is on right over the 6, so we know that this time is 9:30. And so we want to know, what is 1/2 hour later? And we know that half an hour is 30 minutes, so we're going to have to count what's 30 minutes from 6:30. So if we start here, we're going to use our minute hand here to count out 30 minutes. So we're going to count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we just went 30 minutes, and so we can now see that the time is, our hour hand is on the 10, and our minute hand is right up top, so we know that it's 10 o'clock. So we know that 1/2 hour after 9:30 is 10 o'clock. So here's 9:30 here. So we'll put 10 o'clock as 1/2 hour after. All right, so you're going to color in the bubble on your paper of the clock that looks like this, that has the hour hand on the 10, and the minute hand up top on the 12, meaning that it is a new hour, 10 o'clock. Okay, and then the next part, number 2, it says with red crayon, you could use a color pencil if you have one, color in the thermometer to a temperature that matches the weather. So on the very first picture, you can see that it's a boy playing baseball. So what kind of temperature would we have if the boy was playing baseball? Well, we know that 32 degrees is freezing outside, so he's probably not going to be playing baseball in the cold. So we think baseball season's kind of in the spring, like today maybe, and our weather is probably about 55 or 60 degrees out right now. So you could color anywhere. You're going to have to color in all of this, and we know that it's going to color in all of here. And so it's probably going to be, if you're outside playing baseball, anywhere between 50 degrees here and probably about 80 degrees. So if you colored in your thermometer anywhere in here, and I'm going to stop here. So if you colored it anywhere in here between 50 degrees and 80 degrees here, any of that would work. And so I colored mine at, let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 degrees. 70 degrees is a temperature that I like to play baseball in. And if we move to the next one here, we can see this girl is building a snowman, and we just have to color in the thermometer that matches the weather. So we know that our magic number of 32 degrees for freezing, we know that it's probably somewhere in here. She's bundled up, she has a hat on, she has gloves on, and a scarf. So we know that it's going to be anywhere here between probably about 35 degrees and we'll say 25 degrees. So you can color in yours anywhere in between there. And remember on your thermometer, you can count by twos. Okay, so I colored in mine right at 30 degrees there. And then at the very bottom on your page, it says start at the left, color the 6th umbrella blue. So we're going to have to start on the left-hand side. We'll start over here, and we're going to count over 6 umbrellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one here, we're going to color that blue. Hey first graders, we're going to be finishing up our math page, page 300. It looks like this. It has the sandwiches up top. This is why we needed to know what kind of sandwich you liked. So pause the video if you need to. Go ahead and get this out. And I'm going to read to you what kind of sandwich each of your friends likes. And then for each one, you're just going to draw a dash, like a tally mark here. So if they like peanut butter, you're just going to draw a line there. If they like grilled cheese, you'll draw a line here. And if they like turkey, you'll draw a line for this one, okay? So I'll read them off and we can draw all of our lines together. So for the first one, Liam. Liam likes PB&J's, so we're gonna put just a tally mark in the orange box for PB&J's. And number 2, Emma B. She likes a cheese sandwich, so we get 1 tally mark for cheese, just like this. And Matthew likes cheese as well. And let's see, Alec likes a PB&J. Eric likes grilled cheese. Annabelle likes PB&J. Chase likes a turkey sandwich, more specifically a turkey sandwich from Jimmy John's. And Evelyn likes a PB&J. And Jace likes cheese. Maddie likes cheese. So right here when we get to grilled cheese, so Maddie will be number 5 for grilled cheese. So our tally mark is going to go diagonal. So you can see right there for 4. Let me show you what 5 will look like. So that's what 5 tally marks should look like there with the line diagonally across. Okay, so that was Maddie. And Michael also likes cheese. Abby May likes cheese. Mark likes cheese. Addie likes cheese. Allison likes cheese. So that's what your cheese should look like. You should have 10 tally marks there. And let's see, Yana likes cheese. She likes cream cheese, but we're gonna count that as cheese. And David likes turkey. Allie likes a PB&J. So then you'll make your diagonal line across for number 5 for PB&J. And Aletra likes cheese. Hunter likes cheese. Ben likes a PB&J. Shelby likes cheese. And Emma Y likes cheese too. All right, so we should have 15 marks in our grilled cheese. We should have 6 marks in our PB&J and 2 marks in our turkey. Oh wait, I forgot. I also like turkey. And Mrs. Olson likes turkey. So, if we look, we should have 6 marks for our peanut butter. We should have 15 for our grilled cheese. And we should have a whopping 4 for turkey. So it should look something like this. So let's count them up to make sure that we have enough. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So that works out perfectly if we include both me and Mrs. Olson. And so let's go to graph our results. So we know that there's 6 in the mark for turkey, or I'm sorry, for peanut butter. So we're gonna color in up to 6. Kind of just like this. So we can see for peanut butter, and we count over to 5, and then 1 more gives us 6. So you can see right here our line. So we know that peanut butter, we have 6. And for grilled cheese, we have, let's see, 5, 10, 15. So we're going to draw our line to 15 for our grilled cheeses. And let's see, color that in. And you can use any color that you would like. Just like this. So then we have 5, 10, and 15. And we've colored all that in for our grilled cheese. And then for our turkey, we have 4. So we're not even gonna make it to this line here for 5. So we'll count over 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, just like this. Looks good. And our questions. Number 3, mark under the circle under the correct answer. Which sandwich do most students like best? So you can see that most of our friends like grilled cheese the best. So we're gonna color in the middle dot for grilled cheese. And for B, which sandwich do the fewest students like best? And we can see here that that's turkey. So we'll color in the very last one for turkey. And for C, which sandwich did you choose in this survey? So you're gonna just circle in the bubble of which you chose. So I chose turkey, so I'm gonna color in this bubble here. If you chose grilled cheese, color in this one. And if you chose peanut butter, you can color in this one here. So your paper should kind of look like this. All right, and that's all for your math today. Have a good day.